A bike, also called a bicycle, is a simple and fun mode of transportation. It has two wheels, a seat, handlebars, pedals, and brakes. People ride bikes for various reasons, such as going to school, work, or simply for recreation. Riding a bike is a great way to stay active and healthy. It helps strengthen your leg muscles and improves your balance. Many people enjoy riding bikes in parks, on trails, or around their neighborhoods. When you ride a bike, you need to wear a helmet for safety. Helmets protect your head in case of falls or accidents. It's also important to follow traffic rules and signals while riding on roads. Bikes come in different types, such as mountain bikes, road bikes, and BMX bikes. Each type is designed for specific purposes. For example, mountain bikes are rugged and are used for off-road trails, while road bikes are built for speed on smooth roads. Taking care of your bike is important to ensure it works properly. You should regularly check the tires, brakes, and gears. Keeping your bike clean and well-maintained will make your rides more enjoyable. Overall, biking is a fun and healthy activity that people of all ages can enjoy. Whether you're riding to school, exploring nature, or simply having fun with friends, biking is a great way to stay active and explore the world around you.